Pulao is a very popular rice dish in Bangladesh that we eat during birthdays, celebrations, weddings. Most popularly, it is made with chinigura rice but can be made with other kinds of rice too. Let's make my favorite pulao. Let's start by first making the fried onions that we will add to the pulao later. On a large pan, add soybean oil. Next, add chopped onions and fry them until they become golden brown in color. In Bangla, we call this fried onion piyaj beresta. This fried onion really enhances the taste of the pulao. Once it's done, set it aside on a different plate. Now we will cook the rice. For that, on the same pan, add onions, 4 to 5 bay leaves, 4 to 5 small pieces of cinnamon and 6 cardamom. Keep stirring and infuse the spices with the oil. Next, add some ginger paste and stir it very well. Cook the spices by stirring it very well for 1 to 2 minutes before adding the rice. After cooking the spices for 1 to 2 minutes, you have to add the pulao rice. We have used chinigura rice here. You have to keep stirring the rice and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. After stirring and cooking the rice for 5 to 6 minutes, we have added 8 cups of water for 4 cups of rice. Make sure that the water that you're using is hot. After adding the water, you have to add the raisins. If you don't like raisins, you can also skip it. Next, we have added 5 to 6 green chilies. Also add salt according to your taste. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook until you can no longer see the water. Once you can no longer see the water, you have to reduce the heat to low and cover it and cook for a while if it's not soft yet. Usually it takes 5 to 10 minutes to cook the rice. Once the rice becomes soft, you have to turn off the stove and have to add the fried onions. Sprinkle generously or as much as you like. After adding the fried onions, you have to cover it with a lid and let it sit for a while. At this point, you don't have to cook it on the stove. So that's about it. Enjoy your pulao with side dishes. Pulao tastes so delicious with fulgopi dalna and fried eggplant. I have included those recipe links in the description. Or you can also find those recipes by searching it on our channel. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to get more awesome vegan recipes.